Alrighty guys, so we've got our glute bridge, but now it's going to be a hamstring focus. So we're going to be working on our glute bridge bilateral hamstring focus, which is both legs down on the ground. This is very, very simple to do. If you've also got sliders, this works even better because you've got a little bit more, or I would say less resistance of being able to push through. So you're actually trying to pull your heel or stop your heel from moving away. But I don't have sliders, so this isn't the demo for that. But this is a hamstring focused glute bridge. Now the way we're going to do it, guys, is when we set up, we want to make sure that our first setup, we're in our normal glute bridge position here. All we're then going to do is take our feet out, so we're a little bit further out. What I generally like to say with my clients is go kind of as far as you can while keeping those feet flat on the ground. So not necessarily where you can drive or take your feet out straight, but not touch the ground. You want to still be able to keep those feet flat on the ground. From here, standard glute bridge coming up. Now all I want to do, because I'm trying to hit these hamstrings, I'm still squeezing those glutes, I'm still on my hip extension, I want to try and pull my heels towards my butt, and that is going to activate those hamstrings. So I'm just pulling, pulling, pulling for as long as I need to. This is an isometric exercise. Once we've done that, all those hamstrings start to cook out, it'll then just be time to drop. Make sure if you're following a program as well, you've got a time in there. Obviously that will dictate how long you'll be. So that is our glute bridge, hamstring focus, bilateral, or both legs.